Today we're removing the rear side speakers on a Hyundai Accent. We're going to start at the rear passenger side with the rear deck open and unlock the rear seat, push it forward, and repeat this for the rear seat on the driver's seat as well. Push the seat forward for access to the speakers. Locate the cable that secures the back deck on the vehicle and release the end of the cable up out of its lock. Hold the rear deck up. This has a pinch fit hinge on each side. You can lift this up out of one side, slide it out of the other, and set this panel to the side. With your Phillips screwdriver, there are two screws that secure this cover in place, one towards the very back and one towards the front corner. With these screws removed, use your pry bar and pry along the edge of this panel. This panel will release with pry pressure. This will allow you to pull the side of the speaker cover and grill up and pull it away from the side of the vehicle. We can turn this panel over and access the connector here. This connector towards the center of it has a small trigger. You squeeze this trigger in to release the lock, and this will allow you to release the connector and remove the entire panel. We're going to take this panel and turn it over. Again, this is a 5 1/4 inch speaker. This is held in place by 4 screws. This is a simple removal. Repeat this process for the opposite side. If you have any other questions, see our website for help. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.